Hello guys, Pragirox here, and today I'm going to show you a perfect gameplay of a level in Bomb Squad, and that level is I think Rookie Onslaught. So here you can see there is a replay, and I think I've named this such, and you should not mind it. Anyway, watch it. Let's watch it, and I have played 3 games in it, and one of them is almost perfect. So here you can see that I'm putting landmines and it is not going well, and I'm putting it in wrong places. So just we should uh, we should skip this part and fast forward to the next part. So we will. So here we have reached the end, and you can see my score is 541 for now and my highest is 554. So here this is the next game, and same we will fast forward to the end. So you can see as I have completed that one and my score was 489, but I had just missed it, and now this one is the final game, and I will show you that this one is done nearly perfect. So here in this one you have to know the positions of when they will spawn, and you have to put the landmines accordingly, or the bombs like the sticky bombs and that all. So here I know, as I have played it many times, so I have put it in the right position, and so here you can see that I'm killing them instantly as they are spawning. So here I have done, and that one, that two are, that is gone and two are left. So I'm gonna kill both of them and see both of them have been killed. So there is 3 more left, and I have put the bomb earlier, so she will just die because she's freezed and her that bomb exploded on her, and same with this one, or not the same, it is glitching I think. Anyway, she's dead. So here we will do something, and we'll freeze this guy, and so we'll punch him and he will break off. Then we'll put the sticky bomb and he's gone, and then here also. So okay, he was left. Okay, we have killed him. So the thing is that you have to know all the positions where the enemy will spawn. So you can see my score is 585, and it is a new high score that I have created. I know many can make it better, like 1000 or more. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.